everybody, welcome to my packing video. I've done these before, but I just wanted to take you step by step through what I do because I've done so much packing, so much traveling in the past like 3 years. It's crazy. And in the past few months, I've honed in on exactly what it takes to pack and not have to think about it again. And some of this may seem like extra steps and oh my gosh, but if you travel as much as me, and you're traveling, you have two places that you live, kind of, we have the apartment and the house, it makes it so much harder. So, and a lot of the clothes I wanted are the kind of clothes that I keep here at the house. I kind of keep different kind of clothes at the apartment. It's crazy, y'all, and it's very, it can produce a little anxiety. And so I thought, I'm not going to be anxious anymore. I'm going to figure out how to do this. So, first thing I would suggest if you travel a lot is to have an ongoing packing list on your computer. So I have one that is generic, and then I edit off that one, but I always save the generic, and then I have a winter and a summer. This is kind of a summer because the next place we're going is not going to be, it's going to be hot. I have a toiletry section, makeup section, clothes, shoes, and other section, extras, and then electronics and things like that. So this is the best thing in the world to have. I cannot tell you how it keeps me from forgetting anything because it's got the basics. And over the years, I've been doing this for about 5 years, and over the years it has changed. And especially if it's winter, I pull my winter one in because it'll have things like, scarves and jackets, and I'm certainly not taking any of that on this trip. The other step I've done that takes it up a notch, and it worked so well. Now, I know this is overkill, but it took all the anxiety, or it took so much thought out of my brain, and I enjoyed the trip more. This last trip we went on was Disney, the Orlando section. It was a car trip, and we had the Orlando section, and we had the Tampa section, and they were different things to dress for different events that we were going to. So what I did for the first time is I just took a piece of a pencil. I just did it for this trip. Maybe took me 1 minute to do. And I wrote out each day of the trip and each thing that we would have during a day. Like, car outfit. Well, this time I need a car outfit and a plane outfit because we're driving partly by car and partly by plane. So I need a car outfit and a plane outfit. I also have 2 planes I'm going to have to take. Spending the night in between. See, there's a lot of moving parts to this trip. So I wrote each day, Thursday through Wednesday, down. And like for Thursday, I have a car trip and a plane outfit. And what I want to do, because we're getting in late, we're spending the night in a hotel and getting up early to go on the next leg the next morning. So on the top of when I open my suitcase, I'm going to have my PJs, clean underwear, and my toiletries. I'm not going to have to dig through my suitcase. I'm going to have everything right on top, especially for that night. Now, so then Friday, I need another plane outfit, which hopefully will be the exact same one. It's a 2-hour flight on the first night, so hopefully I can wear the plane, as in plane, airplane outfit again. And then I'm going to need, when I get to the destination, an evening outfit. Now, we're staying in like a villa, so I think we're going to be cooking a lot there because we're going to be with a group of people, but we're also going to be eating out, I'm sure. So evening outfit could just be my shorts and a t-shirt, if we're sitting in the villa, because who cares? But then I'm going to have some things to wear to dinner, which I can wear twice, of course. Then Saturday I need a day outfit, and then I need an event outfit. Sunday I need a day outfit, dinner. Monday I need a day outfit, dinner, and a pool, my swimming stuff. Tuesday, day, dinner, pool. And Wednesday is another airplane outfit. Halfway in this trip, we're leaving from the villa and going to an Airbnb. So, there's that aspect of it. Well, what I did for Florida, because I kind of had the same thing going on, but not near as complicated as this trip is going to be. What I did for Florida is for the first time ever, I laid every outfit on my bed with jewelry, earrings, and shoes, and I snapped a picture of it. Every single, what I envisioned that I would want to wear for at each event. Y'all, it was like a dream. It worked so well. I did not have to think about what to wear. I didn't have to go, oh, well, will this look good or will this look good? Also, y'all, before I laid it on the bed to snap a picture, I put everything on. Now, that was time consuming, but it made such a difference because sometimes I'll see an outfit and I think, oh, that's so cute. And then I put it on and I go, oh yeah, I don't like how this one looks. This doesn't look that good. And I'll change it because you can't keep all that kind of thoughts in your head. So I'm going to take a picture of every outfit, and that way my jewelry is, after I put the jewelry with that outfit, a lot of times I'll wear my jewelry over and over because I usually pick one color, gold or silver. This trip I'm packing very light because there's a chance there might be some cool jewelry where we're going. And I will tell you that where we're going has tons of Instagrammable pictures. Like I went on Pinterest and there's people that have gone to this place and they show you where to get Instagram pictures. To look good in these Instagram pictures, you have to be dressed to the place, kind of. So I want to get something when I get there. I'm definitely going to get a hat. I'm going to get a fun purse, blah, blah, blah. I want some souvenirs from there because it's one of those places. It's not like Paris where it's hard to find like a souvenir because, I don't know, I found Paris so hard to buy things. This is a different kind of place. Lots of fun stuff you can get there. Now, this is way too many clothes. So as I go back through my list, I will probably cull some of these clothes out, especially due to the fact that I'm going to buy probably a new shirt there, maybe a dress. So what do I have here? I have my event dress right here. This is my event outfit. Now down here below, you can't see, but I have 4 pair of shoes down here for the week, okay? And then I have, these are super easy. You've seen these a million times. I get these from this website in Hawaii. I love my dresses. They pack to nothing, y'all, to nothing. So that's easy to have an extra outfit. Like if I don't know what I'm going to wear on the plane on the way home, I can throw this dress on and wear it on the plane. I absolutely adore this dress. That's going to be out. Now, this is the other thing. I'm packing in advance because we're not going to be back here. So I have to pack today. And if there's anything at the apartment I want to throw in, like there's a shirt there that a brand new shirt I got at TJ Maxx I might throw in. But I can't wait. So what I'm going to do is Scott and I are packing today. It's about 2 days before the trip or the day before the trip. I'm going to iron everything and repack it. I have some cute little short sleeve shirts. I have a pair of shorts. So I have 4 dresses kind of, a pair of jeans. I'll have a pair of shorts, 2 pair of shorts. I might need another pair of shorts. Oh wait. Oh, I have a pair of dressy shorts that will go with this for dinner one night. I might tie this up and wear my dressy shorts. So I have some black shorts at the apartment, so I need to add those, no problem. I have casual t-shirts, like 3. We might do this excursion thing, so yeah, we might do something crazy and I would need a t-shirt for that. This shirt's cute. This is called Comfy Clothes. This is what I wear in the hotel, my booty shorts and a t-shirt where I wear at night. And then finally, I have my bathing suit, this skirt thing that I got at Costco, y'all. This is so cute. It pulls right up. So you don't really need a shirt, but I'm going to throw this in just in case. And I also might need this for one of our excursions. So I'm not sure about that. But that again is nothing. So now the things I'm missing on the rack, I haven't done pajamas, underwear, and all those kinds of things, and jewelry, and toiletries, and all that. This is kind of my process. Now I've got 2 hats that I'm going to take, 3 hats I'm going to take. That may not happen, but probably it will. This is my big tote. I got this a month or so ago in Austin. Now this will be my big tote, my purse for the airplane, because we're going to carry on. That's the other thing. Because we have a lot of moving parts, we don't want to lose our luggage like we did when we came home from London. That was a nightmare. We didn't get it for 7 days. We don't want to pack a bag, check a bag. even though we could for free, we're going to carry on. So I'm probably gonna, cut this down a little bit. This is my carry-on purse. But here's the thing. It's gonna be where I'm gonna be able to throw my electronics in here for the plane ride and those kinds of things. But also, here's my purse for the trip. But this isn't big enough to take on the plane where I'm going to need, documents and different things, passport, different things like that. So that's what I'm going to do. I've got my purse for the week in here, but there's tons of room to throw other things that might not fit in my suitcase or something like that. Now, I might change this to a backpack. I haven't decided. Scott's going to take a backpack, but he thinks girly. He thinks it's girly to carry a backpack. So I want him to carry a backpack so we can put a bunch of stuff in it. So he'll have his carry-on and his personal item. We're all good. I'll have a carry-on and my big bottomless pit. Y'all, this is a bottomless pit. Like my book that I want to read, crossword puzzle book. Although I probably should just do that on my phone and quit being so old school with the crossword. I'm already bringing a book, y'all. Old-timey. Can't do the Kindle. Can't do it. So anyway, I hope you've learned some tips from this video. How I pack my actual belongings. I've got that down to an art too. Let me tell you that art before I forget. What I actually did for the Florida trip was I put things in my packing cubes in the order I was going to wear them. Like the last day was on the bottom. The hotel day was here. The Disney outfit was underneath that. The casual next day was underneath that. The outfit I was wearing to Lorelai's party was underneath that. But it really made it so easy to just get up and go. I hate thinking, I use minimal makeup on vacations. I use minimal toiletries on vacation. So anyway, that's a tip. If you really want to be organized and you have a lot of places to be, that's a tip, is pack in the opposite order, the first thing you're gonna wear on top of your different cubes. That works fantastic and I loved it. So that's it.